Hello everybody, today we're just having a very simple lunch. As we're unpacking and repacking and trying to find places to put our silverware and our pots and pans, we still have to eat. So today what I'm doing is I'm using just basically ordinary Brussels sprouts that I picked up at Sprouts, and I'm using a container of olives and sea salt and a bay leaf. It's a pre-package, and we're going to be cooking them together. And this way it will make a nice, quick, simple, nice, delicious meal. And let's get doing.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Okay, you've all seen me cook Brussels sprouts. What I'm doing different in this one, I'm cooking them on the stove until they get soft. But what I've included in them are olives. So all this is being cooked with a bay leaf and some olives mixed in with Brussels sprouts that have been cut in half. I just love Brussels sprouts, and this will be my lunch today. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's ready to be plated. A really simple lunch and all vegan. Okay, so these are just basically Brussels sprouts. What I've done is I've cut them in half. I cooked them on a high for 30 minutes, and the olives are from Marifano, pitted Greek olives. It's a medley of oregano, sea salt, bay leaf, and there are, as you can see, black, and actually they're looking like red and green olives. And it says there's a product of Greece. I'm telling you, these things are simply delicious, but we had them for a couple weeks now. Even though I know that the preservatives and the salt keeps it for a long time, I wanted to find a unique way to be able to cook. Now watch, I'm using a basic fork, and I'm just simply going down, and this one gave me a little bit of pressure. But some of the other ones that are cut in half go right down. So these are ready to eat. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to plate this, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Using one of my mother's beautiful plates. Try to use a slotted spoon with holes in it. And then you just plate it on the butter. Now if you wanted to, you could put some vegan butter on this. Here, keep this for later. You're not going to be able to eat all of this, but this will make a nice little, now you could add other vegetables around here if you wanted to, but this is just a nice little lunch right before I go back to do more unpacking. Alright, then what you do with this, you'll let this cool, you'll put it in a plastic container or a glass container. My mother's got these cool glass containers. We're going to take the entire thing, the sauce first. Oh, that made a nice mess. Including the bay leaf. Now we're going to let that cool before we put it in the refrigerator. Then once it's cool, we'll put this cap here, Pyrex thing anyway, and it'll be all ready for another little snack. I'm going to take a bite out of these right now. Yes, this is a fork, hard to believe, huh? See, the cool thing is that I really like Brussels sprouts, and I already have, but I know many people don't. Now this is not a Brussels sprout, this is an olive cook in a Brussels sprout. And it doesn't have the same flavor as it did when it came out of the package, but it still retains its deliciousness of an olive. Okay, see you later. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining me in my new kitchen. And we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Have a good day.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.